golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, a dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash now, wave and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji, we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market, we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day, we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams within reach, head in the clouds. I'll chase them down and make them count. Trust the journey, trust the ride. With each turn I know I'll glide. In this joy I'll always reside. Feeling good, I'll never hide. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life.
Hi, DC. How are you today?
Hey guys, I'm gonna be a little bit more careful than usual for today. We have news after the open. We've seen pre-market being rather rangy, which I don't like in particular. So just control risk, trade what you know, and let's have another possible nice green day.
Yes, I agree. Let's see if we can get another green day. Uh, I'm trading light today because my thing is when it's the first of the month, it's almost like think of it like an open, right? It's opening up that month. So I like to trade light so I can see what uh, what these characters want to do. Right now, you can see right now on the trigger chart, we are inside this 30-second money zone, bearish money zone. Pullback is, this was a, if you wanted to short, this is a good scalp short here. I'm saying scalps because if you look at it price wise, we are considered cheap. So, always got to be careful with those. This is going to be a day to be very disciplined for sure. Key report. See what. Ooh. Okay. We got bearish weakness now. Interesting. Interesting. Put that up there. Out of the way. Oh, hey, Cloud. Morning.
Good morning, man. Good morning. Sorry I woke up late.
Oof, sounds like somebody had overnight trading.
No, I was just out late last night.
Sounds like somebody has a hangover then.
Yeah, somebody does definitely have a hangover right now.
We should be sponsored by Liquid IV. So this way.
I'm definitely down for that sponsorship. 'Cause, man,
Hey, you want some of my engine oil?
what is that?
Keeps me lubed up and ready to go at any time of the day.
It's
W45 or something. I'm using really,
ah
really
that
strong
oil.
shit.
Send it my way. Send it my way.
Right, where since everybody's going with the premise that I'm a cyborg.
It's not a premise anymore. I think we have enough evidence.
Okay. Well, at least I'm not sent from the future.
Whoa, that's a new twist. That's a new twist. You're like those people like you see in pictures all throughout time. Like
And I don't age ever.
no, it's the same guy.
I wish. I wish. Okay, we're gonna be open in 1 minute. Let's see.
I got a sell sign. Got a sell sign early.
Well, I mean, shorts look very good at this location.
I just don't like the time like that's now.
Indeed.
I'm watching both Nasdaq and ES today. I took a trade on ES as well yesterday during my meeting, so I'm looking at both Nasdaq and ES again today. I posted both charts yesterday in my levels. Go look at them. It's on the Discord.
And we are open. All right, let's see. Yuck.
We have news at 9:45 again, you guys. I want to go long though, but we have news.
Yuck. There we go. I took a long right off of the here. I'll show you the mechanical long. You see how it went from yellow to blue. Then you had the Gabby button. I took that. I got my 20 points. And I
Good
just
job, man. Good job, man. Good
passed
job.
150K combine
In 2 days. In 2 days, you guys.
in 2 days. Let's go.
All with the indicators. All with the indicators.
Like that, sucker up. Now, for everybody out there, you know, like I've seen this pattern for weeks now. We've opened in the very cheap area of this 4-hour forecaster, either the purple or this box around here, and everything else is staying bearish. And these trades have usually gone at, you know, for the past couple of days, have usually gone very far in their favor. So, you know, like maybe 50, 20, 50, 100 points. Like, I think Cloud called a nice one that was over 200 one day.
Yesterday.
So, and it all started from this
That was
4-hour
yesterday.
forecaster.
Yes, sir. Well, good trade, Mo. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. I took a scout with you too when I said I like the longs. Previous weekly low for me. It's like my trading levels are going to be very different than everybody else's. I like to trade off weekly lows, highs, opens, monthly and monthly levels as well too. And I try to pair it up with the level of on the forecaster as well too. So because we're at the weekly low doesn't mean I'm going to take it. I took it because we were weekly low. We were also at the top of the super cheap box on the auto setting. And if you look, for everybody who's in a mentorship, we also were hugging the 15-minute moving average.
Yeah, so it depends how it looks after news. But I see it's definitely, if you're a range trader, I think today's going to be your day. It's my opinion. For educational purposes only, not financial advice, you know. I don't know why you would take financial advice from, you know, somebody on YouTube, but just in case.
Just in case you do.
Yeah, just in case. Just in case, you know, you start making some profits. Here we go. There's. Now let me see. How does this look?
Short at 91, kind of a late call out.
That's DC's trigger. I was gonna say that
Yeah.
was DC's trigger. If you look at if you
That
look at
was
the money stuff like that.
a perfect DC trigger. And you see, if you look at it on the pinpoint too, green to purple, that's a mechanical trigger if I've ever seen one.
Yep. We do what we can. But it's terribly rangy, so I'm at break even.
Yeah, it's.
I have so many things telling long, so many things telling short.
I know.
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah.
I took that help with Mo, and I'm done for now. I'm waiting until the news comes out at 9:45. I have a headache, so I don't know how much I'm gonna be trading today.
I mean, if you look at my game plan on Discord, you can see why I went long. It tested my level and bounced right up, so that's why I took the long. Combine that with where we are on this forecaster and the triggers. Good process trade. Yeah, that's done.
We had big news at 10 o'clock. I may lock out some of these accounts until then because I've already copy traded 3 of them. All right, give me a 30-minute lockout.
I know, and I should be looking long, but I cannot look long inside money zones. Don't tempt me. I know, we have money zones right above us, 30 points. That is a big no-no. Let me see here. Nope. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Take your hands off the mouse. I know it's a very good place
And
for longs.
it's like for me, it's like if I call out a level in the morning, their previous weekly low. If I call out a scenario, the top of the super cheap box, just know I took that trade again. I'm going to keep taking this trade in this area. If I get stopped out again, I have to stick to my rule and wait for the new 4 hour. Wait for news to drop in 5 minutes.
VWAP is here as well.
Money zone right here too.
Yep, that's what I've said.
Oh, my bad,
30
my bad.
seconds and 1 minute, they're both right here.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's running right now. It's 50 points for me. I took 50 points up there. For me, what's bothersome to me is that the fact these money zones haven't flipped yet. But it's all good. Give it some time. I gotta be a little more patient because I want to go long on another set of accounts. I might go long on my funny futures today. See if I get a payout today on my funded. Boo! Nasdaq, can you stay above 400 for me? I am flat. I am flat. That sucks. Why did I move my stop 10 points up? I should have left my stop at break even. Oh my god. I'm such an idiot. I should have been at break even. I'm looking for another trade. I have to wait since we're already in the money zones already. Honestly, I feel like if we can stay above 400, I like it. I like New York to at least test that London high up here. We do have news coming out soon. We potentially have backgrounds turning off. Google is ripping right now. Apple is ripping right now. Amazon is ripping right now.
NQ is doing nothing right now.
I know. I needed to stay above 400. That's all I care about. Just stay above 400, please.
3, 2. All right. 4, 3, 2, 1. News drop.
I have to wait. Above 400, I might take it again. I have to be a little bit more patient though. I'm long. Very tight stop, especially with news being out. I don't know if I like it anymore, but I'm still on. I'm kind of heavy too, but hey, I'm gonna keep that to myself for now.
Right.
I did take a trim of 20 points, but I wanted I'm trying to hold for a lot more. I'm flat, break even. Fuck this shit, man. I have to wait for the new four. I'm sorry, I can't take any more trades here. And look at it go. All right, I have to wait. I think I'm just hungover. I'm not seeing the market right. Look at it go, man. Oh, so annoying. Oh God.
I'm long at 4.
I hate you, man.
14.
I hate you, BT.
I know, man.
Ah, I got stopped out. This that New York High wanted us to test, and we tested it. I was looking to take a trim up here too, but above 440, I think we should be able to get that previous weekly close above 440 pretty easily. I really want that previous daily high. Like, there's no reason why we shouldn't get that.
Mo, you in?
Let me see.
Everybody's in beside me, and I gave the trade out. This sucks.
Don't have anything that's tradable now. Just finished that one. No.
$50 points.
Man, whatever. Y'all have fun with this. Y'all have fun. This sucks. I'm going on mute for a second while I curse myself out.
No, I'm not in because I'm done for the day. So
Oh, so Mo funded a 150K account. He says, "Hey, I'm done for the day. I made my little 4,000 for the day. I'm done, man. I'm done."
that's my ideal. I want to trade like that, like literally from
Let's
open
go.
to like 11.
6 minutes? 8?
Oh, no, crazy. no,
How many minis? Was it 10 minis?
no, only 5.
Only
Only
five.
5.
Only
There's-
five. You see this?
It's
I
like-
never want
it's like,
I never want anybody in the Discord to say that I go too heavy.
Right? No, it's not. It's not. I think you are a bad influence, Cloud, with your
Yeah,
only.
it's definitely you. It's definitely Cloud's fault.
You cannot blame me, man.
Cloud normalized. Oh yeah, 15 minutes is no problem. I do that in my sleep. Actually, no. Today was micros, so it was only 15 micros today.
How long did you hold trade for you to get 4,000? I mean,
No,
like I know
it was 3 days. So it was
that's
Friday,
still very
yesterday,
impressive though.
and today.
I mean, that's still very impressive for you to pass a 150K account in 3 days. That's still very impressive. Most people can't pass a 50K account in 3 days. You know, let alone 150K.
Yeah. And what I did was on those days, because yesterday and Friday it was good runner days, so I was able to hold a mini for a good long time. Because I was telling DC yesterday, I was like, I had to go back to just like, all right. I got used to scalping minis so much that the skill of holding trades was being
It was
affected.
fleeting, right? It was
Yeah.
fleeting.
So I was like, okay, you know what? I got to go back to finding good setups to hold the trade.
Mm-hmm. Michael got funded, you guys. Michael got funded off the live this morning. Good job, Michael.
Very nice. Congratulations. Don't copy trades. Learn from us. Don't copy.
Oh no, I'm sure he took his own trade. Ain't that right, Michael?
I'm just saying. Because no matter how much success you have, this is not financial
No,
advice.
very true. Very true.
We're here to have fun, click some buttons, make some money.
Make some play money, man.
See, like, so that's a pretty bearish sign right here.
Yeah, the fact that we can't get over the previous weekly close, we have a red proven as well too. No candle close above or above the previous weekly close.
So
news drops in 5 minutes approximately. This is red folder.
Ooh, okay. I'm always interested when news drops, when I see the Dom go absolutely nuts. So far, I have, all right, one, I got two.
Bless you.
I got I got three bullish statements. I have a range. I have two ranging, two bullish, and a bearish. Jeez. Thank goodness.
I'm so
done
glad.
now.
I'm so glad that money zones flipped. I was so uncomfortable going long. Oh man, but it was the trade. Just the money zones were in the way.
Mhm.
You see how hard it was to break this
Yeah, right here. Oh, circle.
area.
Look at that area right there. Oof.
Still with Adams indicators, guys, we are at almost, I don't want to brag, I don't want to flex, I don't want to give out wrong data, but we are very close to 100% TP1 hit rate.
Yeah, TP1's my friend. And now I'm getting better trading like how you guys trade like Tradeovate, where you put the limit buys and sells for your take profits.
Oh, nice.
And we're getting faster at it because Tradeovate has a little problem right now with especially if you're trading micros.
I would be surprised if it came down to a previous weekly low. If that comes, if it comes down to the previous weekly low again and bounces, I may just take some calls, some QQQ calls. This is non-financial advice.
Re-enter the long on a limit at 85.
Right before news.
Risk free. Risk free. Risk free.
Okay. Hey, I like it. I like it.
And out. But made some money.
Yeah, we are in. What are we doing here?
And now I calm down. That was just one of my favorite locations too.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I teach and I practice martial arts, right? So last night I was teaching.
Wait. Time out. What, Mo?
I teach
didn't know?
and I practice
No.
martial arts. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So I teach basically stand up fighting, judo, and jujitsu, ground, and all that stuff, right? All mixed into one. Then
And kick our ass not only at trading, Cloud.
Yesterday was the first time I had the class do sparring, like, because I can't. It's just the next phase, right? I mean, if anything you do, there's always phases. And I saw everybody's face where I was like, yeah, I'm only gonna let you punch today, but you get hit in the face and something, right? And like all their faces went white. And there's one student, right? This is just to go to show you, like, anything you do, especially high stakes, right? You gotta do your best to control, like, how you're reacting to it. And I knew from the get-go, I'm like, watch, when this dude starts, he's going to be throwing haymakers. And I tell everybody, listen, we're training, right? So let's start at 40%, get a feel for it, and then we can go up no higher than 70, because higher than that, you're not learning anything. And man, this dude was throwing some haymakers at people, and like I could see everybody like was scared of it, right? Because he's the big guy. So I was like, look. So I went in there. I was like, go ahead, throw whatever. But when he was throwing
News is out.
when he was throwing his punches,
Sheesh, look at that volume, Camden.
nice, jeez, he was telegraphing everything. So that's when I told people, listen, trust your base defense, just relax, because you could see it coming. Once everybody started to do that, then all of a sudden I neutralized the power. And it's the same thing in trading. Like, trust your process, trust your entries, trust your strategy. As crazy at this thing, no matter what the news is, just trust what you do. That's what Cloud and DC do all day.
I have no choice but to trust what I do.
Mm-hmm. It was so funny.
Cloud never trusts what he does. He just goes in with size.
Okay, how's the Dom looking, guys?
Crazy.
Crazy? It must, because I can see on the this is a 30-second chart you see on your screen. And
Call me crazy. I'm testing a short here. Very, very small position sizing.
I
Not
wouldn't
against
call
it.
Nope, I like that call, to be honest.
Very small position sizing. I know I'm a long trader.
I think once you get through the mess, I think you'll be set up pretty good. There it comes.
I'm in with Cloud.
Taking my first trim.
Oh man.
Very rarely. 20
Taking.
points.
Oh. I lied. I took that kind of heavy, but hey, who cares?
This is the first Cloud and
What did I
DC in
say?
a short.
What did I say, guys?
Let's get those shorts. Let it
I'm only
drop.
5 minutes here. Only 5 minutes here. I was willing to blow
That's
this account.
right. Only 5. That's a new T-shirt. Only 5 minis. 5 minis, 50 micros, whatever you want to call it.
Fields are yellow.
I was willing to blow this account, honestly.
Funded?
Yeah, funded account. Yeah, of course.
Sheesh.
He doesn't play any games.
No, only because I got a payout last week Thursday on this account, and I was able to build it up Friday and yesterday again, and so I was like, hey, let's go for the gusto. The previous weekly low, I might have to, if above 380, I might have to be out. So like right now I'm at break even on. I took one more mini off the table, so I'm at break even with 4 minis.
Problem is that if we don't break this level
I know
either,
it's gonna be a nasty bounce
then
up.
we're definitely ranging for the day, and I'm done. Already I took too many trades.
Oh, there's a long entry, so just be careful. You're in the
I
straight.
know. I'm flat. I am flat. That was a nice trade though, man. Hey, that's a nice little trade. My first short that I was able to hold with heavy size. And again, the same trade I took this morning twice off the weekly low happened again. This time we're at the top of the cheap box. Last 4 hours we were at the top of the super cheap box.
We flipped the box. We flipped the money zones again. You son of a YouTube.
Let's put TPOs on so people can see them. Just put them on here. So you can see I put the TPO candles on this chart. They're yellow right now. This is a 15-minute candle. So that just means we're chopping up and down. Not the cleanest moves right now. And look at this beautiful TWA market structure. We're right inside support. Will it hold or will it break? There's a good chance we could see a lot of up and down today. Which in the beginning of the stream I told you, it's the first of the month. So always be careful at the first of the month. Like on the trigger, you see, look, this is a beautiful example. See how the triggers, like you had a long trigger, a short trigger, and now another long trigger. So just be careful. And I don't know how you guys feel, but whenever we are in the middle of this 4-hour forecaster, like that line, that close line, I hate that spot. This area has taken so much money from me. Right there. I hate it. Let's see.
And with that push down, I might be done for the day. I don't like the fact that I took that trade and it's about to work out for a bigger profit. My entry, yeah, I messed that up, man. I don't know. I think I'm done. I've had good trades, but my risk management on my trades has just been piss poor. Like the second long I took, I had my stop 10 points above break even. I should have kept it at break even. I would have been in that trade. Maybe would have got almost 100 points. The third trade I took off the 400, I was able to get like 15 points. Took a massive trim. Um, Went to break even rather than leaving my stop at the negative 10 points. I would have been in that trade with DC. This trade right here, I took it a little too aggressively. Um, I did get, what? How many points did I get? Oh, I wanted to get 35 points. It looked like it was more, but I want to get 35 points. And for it to come back down, almost get 50 points now, it kind of sucks. So, with that being said, with 3 poor risk management trades back to back to back, I have to lock myself out of all of my accounts. I am done for the day. You got to do better with risk management so I can trade longer.
I mean, if this goes down, it would go to 19 to 75 area. But it's going to chop its way there based on TPOs. So if you're looking at this one's just great. Let me just go down to.
Oh my God, Adam just said a naughty word. He said no longs at all this week. Today is a tight range day, and you should either be playing shorts or not trading at all. Hey man, we caught some good longs at open.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Me neither.
It reminds me of a meme where there's they're in the back of a class. You'd be like, wait a minute, like the teacher's teach or something. He goes, wait a minute, I don't remember this in calculus. What? Are we in the wrong class? I think so. Every time he says something, I think I'm in the wrong class. I think, oh yeah, this is a great long opportunity. Don't do it. Go short. What?
No, like on Sunday when he called out those longs on Sunday, and when DC called them out, it says, "Oh, longs here." I looked at it, I was like, "It's not a bad area." So I went long with 5 micros, and I mean we were able to get almost 100 points on those 5 micros. I know I took 3 micros off at 50 points. I mean the trade worked out for a nice point point total, but I definitely didn't see what he saw there. Like I just took the trade with him, honestly, and once my indicators agreed with me, I got my entry, so I was able to get a better average than him. But yeah, when he originally took the trade, I didn't see it.
I mean, I know, I kind of know where he took it.
Yeah, me too. Me too. See, I know where he took it without even being in the Excel group.
No, you don't
No,
need
you
to
got something from.
You just have to be in the mentorship. You can see where he took it.
Yeah.
You can see exactly where he took it. But okay, you know what? I see now. Presently, he's correct. At 10:09 a.m. But when we took our longs, he was not. Yes. Challenge down.
Might be done though.
Yeah,
Yeah, definitely done.
I'm super pissed because this is the trade I wanted.
Cloud, you have a question from John. So are you in profit today, Cloud?
Oh yes, deep in profit.
Yes.
He's in profit.
He just plays like he doesn't on the stream.
Oh, yeah, no, no, no. So like when I mean that like I'm done trading for poor risk management, is like I'm already profitable, and with my profits that I have, I could have made a lot more, or I could have managed my trades better. And because I didn't manage my trades enough, and the trades keep going, keep going in my favor after I get stopped out, I don't want to revenge trade. You know what I mean?
He was like, he's wondering why you were so mad.
No, because it's like, yo, it's like this is almost 80 points from my original entry. Imagine 80 points for 4 minis. Oh my god. Like I would like
So
yeah.
that's what you're hearing. You're not hearing a red day. You're hearing,
Oh, a green
oh,
day.
I
Like
should have,
massive
I
green
should have
day.
done this.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know what you would hear on a red day. I don't know if you would hear anything.
No, you would. You hear a lot of cursing. Like I've had or like you'll hear me just say this is just a bad day for me. This is just like if I have a red day, then I would, or like depending on how bad, if the red day is more than like 1,500, more than $1,500, then I would say, yeah, this is a bad day for me. This is a bad day.
Yep. He's upset because he could have made more. That's so funny.
Yeah, it's hard to do the risk management, honestly. Because the one thing you learn in this Discord is not really about the money; it's about you managing your risk. You know what I mean? How many points can you get with risking as little as possible?
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's not the money per se; it's the points. It's like the money's there. Like I made the money, but it's the points and where the trade's going. Like if I share my screen, like right now, we're at one of my levels of 293. That's actually where I wanted price to go. I thought price will play with the weekly low. I didn't think it would bounce back up to 400 and come down. I thought price will play with the weekly low, come back to 480 ish, and then come back down. And when it didn't, you know, so I just didn't manage my risk properly. It's all good, man. You win some, you lose some.
Where are we at right now? DC, do you think we bounce off of hold on, let me get the number. Around the 275 area, which is almost where we are now.
I have both bullish and bearish statements about that level. Honestly, I would like 920s. 220s. 220s. It would not make any sense for me, for us to like... There's nothing to do, it's just a daily low, so who cares? So much bearish volume and we cannot do anything, that would be very icky.
Well, I mean, for me, since I'm not taking any more trades in this area, and I think since Adam scared me out of my lungs, and the shorts are already kind of playing out, I may be done for the day completely. Yeah, I gotta make some phone calls too.
Let's see. Yep. Okay, let's see. We got Bears. You can see from the TPO, Riley turned red. Let me just change this to 5 minute. I love this indicator, man. The market structure one, I absolutely like. I mean, whoever's idea this was what a fantastic person who came up with this.
Yeah, no, man, I have no idea who that is.
I didn't even think that person's real, but still.
Such an awesome dude cannot exist in real life. No.
No, it's a figment of our imaginations.
Yep.
He's gonna watch. Like, Adam's gonna be pissed. I would say.
That is such an ugly short. I mean, from the news we dropped like almost 150 points, but so ugly.
It was an ugly short though. Like it was a got to get through this slop, and then it trickled down.
Well, I mean, it's not my fault that if you prepare your bed poorly, then you're gonna sleep poorly. Because whole day we've been creating uh, sloppy zones both above and below us. I mean, I didn't create them; they created them. You make your bed, you sleep in it, you trade in it.
Oh, you're welcome.
That was an entry long.
Yes.
But Adam says we're not allowed to take it.
Yeah. Yeah. I think now it's my purpose to make Adam work so much harder. I think I found my new purpose in life. That, and then I'm gonna have Cloud open a class for his other venture, and we're gonna figure out who actually made DC. Was it Elon? Was it Elon Senior?
That's a nice project to have.
See, bounce right there. Interesting. I think we're gonna be going up and down, up and down. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, so you can see on the screen there's multiple entries. Uh, we took this one. That was the one, the first call in the morning. There was a short entry when you look at it from the green to yellow to purple. Just gotta see where that is. This was a nice entry here. And this was the next one, right here.
Hey guys, don't tell Adam, but I'm long. Get so much joy out of messing with him so much. Oh man, this is the best.
Hey, fellas, I'm calling it a day here, you guys. Since I locked myself out of all of my accounts, I'm not taking any trades on Modified Futures or Apex. I'm done, man. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time?
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, all right, man. See you guys. All right, DC. Take care, man.
Take care. We'll have fun tomorrow as well.
Yes, I won't be hungover.
I don't know. You trade better hungover. You're green when you're hungover. Maybe that's your process.
And you know what? You're definitely more fun.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. All right.
And you know what? To be honest, bro, like you're more patient, which is weird.
I'll keep that
Okay.
in mind tomorrow when I'm trading. But
Because he's being patient because he waits for the chart to clear up and not be double anymore.
yeah, because I definitely was seeing things this morning. That's why they managed my trades earlier. But it's all good though, man. Tomorrow's a better day. Let's trade small tomorrow because I think we have big news tomorrow and Thursday and Friday. I think tomorrow. Let me see.
Yeah, big news
Nah,
all week.
tomorrow's not big news. Thursday's the big news, and so is Friday. So let's trade small tomorrow. Tomorrow may be a range day. Let's see. But I'll see you guys later on. I'll post in Discord if I see anything with any levels.
All right. Awesome. Yeah. All right, DC, anything you want to close with? We can end the day today.
I mean, it was a good day. It was a very difficult day, and we traded light. We made fun of things. There was no stress still, thanks to indicators, which gave you direction. I mean, entries, both long, both short. We were able to get risk-free, and then the market did or didn't what it wanted to do. So that's how we do it over here.
Yeah, exactly. All right, everybody. So we'll be on tomorrow, same time. Uh, our goal: let's keep it light. Let's make some money. Let's get some good risk management. Take care, everybody.
Bye,
All
guys.
right, you guys.